98, 99, 100. Wait. Okay guys, I'm done with this, but it's not going to count as part of the 100 days because I didn't use any Happy Mail on here. I just used that band that came off of my book. So it's not going to count. I went ahead and used a word on here before I was thinking that I shouldn't use this as a page toward the 100-day project because it doesn't have any Happy Mail on it. And that means I have one word left in here, so I'm really a word shy. And I originally thought I would just use this that I had written up for my preparation for a photo to show what I was going to be doing. So I may still use this as word 100, and this would be word 99, and so 98 is on here, but this is at page 98. So I don't know what to do. Maybe make another word, maybe not worry about it. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is that this is going to be in fast forward, and probably really fast forward because it's not really counting, but I thought, you know, I'll just show you anyway. I'm going to do another page that will fit inside my book here. Alright, let's get started on that. I'll put this off to the side, and I'll get out some paper and we'll do page 98. So I've cut out my paper that I am going to use, the size. I cut it from this sheet that you see here. It's kind of washed out because it's real pale, but I already cut it out, and I'm going to use a section of this background here, so we'll leave that here, take this away, and I have this here, which I decided I'm going to go ahead and use today because I really like it. And I have some of these bird cutouts, die cuts that were sent to me, and that's all I have out right now. So I'm going to have to probably pull from something behind me or some little scraps that I've got off to the side because I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so I'm just going to start with what I've got. Okay, let's get started. Today we did this page here, which is kind of a bonus, just use up piece of marketing paper on the page. So that page is done. And then separately we did page 98, which is here. And because I had pulled a word out of my jar and used it here, that made me short in my jar, so I just used some Happy Mail scent. That was some sticker words and phrases. I just pulled one off of there. I used Embrace. We have 99 and 100 to go. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon.